This 2024 Grech RV Turismo AWD Tour Ion is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 19 feet 0 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.